Flat-top grills are one of the most versatile cooking appliances you can get. The expansive surface area means you can easily cook a lot of items at once, and you get the sear of a high-heat grill with the ease of a flat cooking surface. While a few brands used to dominate the flat-top grill market, more have come out as people seem to be trading in their traditional grills for these updated models. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 flat-top grills on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG 888 Outdoor Stainless Steel Lid. The round, compact design of the Cuisinart 360-degree griddle cooking center makes it a top pick for smaller spaces. Its griddle has a 22-inch diameter, providing 380 square inches of cooking surface. However, the round design can create some hot and cold spots, so it may take some getting used to before you're able to perfect your grilling. It delivers a total of 30,000 BTUs of power, which is impressive for its compact size. There are 2 independent gas burners, so you can create 2 heat zones when cooking different types of food. Grease is routed into a 360-degree pan that funnels into a grease cup for easy cleaning. Cuisinart packed a decent amount of features into this budget-friendly grill, too. The vented cover gives you more versatility. You can steam, roast, bake, and/or smoke, while a foldable side table with removable utensil hooks and a paper towel holder helps streamline prep work and cleanup. Number 2. Pit Boss Ultimate PB2 BGD2 Gas Griddle. If you're cooking for 1 or 2, you don't need a massive grill that takes up a lot of space. Instead, the best flat-top grill for you is one that's compact enough to stow away, yet powerful enough to cook your food well. The Pit Boss 2-burner Ultimate Liftoff Griddle checks both those boxes and more. This grill offers 421 square inches of cooking area in a compact design that allows you to maximize function without giving up a lot of space. This grill is a little on the less powerful side. It offers about 60 BTUs per inch too compared to some of the other options that fall in the 80 to 100 range. The grill itself is stainless steel, but the cooking surface is a non-stick armored ceramic that cooks up quickly and retains heat well. It's also easy to clean and is scratch and rust resistant. Number 3. Traeger Grill Top Flatrock. Traeger is known for its wood pellet grills, but the company recently launched the Flatrock Flat Top Grill, an impressive gas-powered option with the same quality as the rest of the brand's highly rated lineup. Lots of grills rely on gas as a fuel source, but this one earned the spot of the best gas flat-top grill because of its U-burner system. Most gas grills have straight burners that can create hot and cold spots on the cooking surface. This model has U-shaped burners that cover more surface area and heat the grill more evenly, so you don't have to worry about over or undercooked food. There are 3 burners in total, and each one can be controlled independently to create 3 separate heat zones that give you the freedom to cook multiple things at once. The 594 square inch surface is carbon steel, which is quick to heat and easy to clean. Number 4. Camp Chef Flat Top Grill 900. The gas-powered Camp Chef 900 is a top-of-the-line flat-top grill that packs some serious heat. Not only is it extra large, it has an 877 square inch cooking surface, but it also kicks out 72,000 total BTUs of power. There are 6 independently controlled burners that you can set to low, medium, or high heat to adjust a specific area of the cooking surface. This makes this grill ideal for multi-food feasts and large gatherings. It has a non-stick stainless steel surface that comes pre-seasoned. The company uses 100% plant oils for this job, so you can use it right out of the box, unlike others that require you to season them yourself. This is a definite perk when you're investing in a grill of this caliber. Chef David also calls out stainless steel grills as one of the easiest to care for and says they heat up relatively quickly. Number 5. Royal Gourmet GB4000 Gas Grill Griddle. This flat-top grill from Royal Gourmet has a lot of similarities to our best overall pick but costs about half the price. You'll get a 784 square inch cooking surface and 4 independently controlled gas burners, but you will have to sacrifice some power. Each burner offers 13,000 BTUs, which gives this grill a total of 52,000 BTUs of power. This is still a decent power rating, especially for the price. It will just take a bit longer to preheat and come up to temperature. It can also take longer to cook, but if you want to go lower and slower, this will get the job done. It has a ceramic cooking surface, which Rose says is good at channeling heat to the food itself, rather than just heating the grill's surface. It also makes it easy to clean, You can heat it up for 15 minutes and then wipe it down. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.